I hit the motherfucking button in the middle. It's quite simple. Royalty, I spit riddles. From the top of the dome, freestyle poems, I drop niggas, I'm hot. You need some motherfucking mitts to pick up my shit. Fuck Lil Wayne, I'll battle anybody in the rap game. Man, what you really wanna do? This is West Coast Millionaire Mafia. We do it the most outside of the city. Las Vegas is outrageous, nigga. I'm wild like lions in cages. Is for real. I'm straight from LA. Every single day, nigga, we smoke Bombay, not hay. Take it from the west to the east. Nigga, what you wanna do? I'll break you off a piece. Rolling with my crew, Lou Conduct, Millionaire Mafia. We don't give a fuck. This is royalty, the real royalty. Hit me up on MySpace. See my face. I got stacks sitting on my lap. 2 cell phones tied to my Louis Vuitton belt. Nigga, you need help. Pain is felt whenever I freestyle from the dome. Clutch the chrome whenever I go inside of the booth and let loose. This nigga's just tripping. You don't need Tupac to have juice. I sip the motherfucking brew from out the bottle. Jump in the whip and smash on the throttle. Then I mash out, vamp out like a stealth. Nigga, you need help. Who else is left? Nobody once I let loose. I squeeze your brain, nothing remains. Ligaments and everything get torn to bits. West Coast on mine, South Central shit. G-style, freestyle from the top of the dome peak. South release, flows. You know this shit is hot, nigga. What you got to say? I kill your ass on spot. Red line, flat line, leave him dead. In the middle of the ground, chalk him out. Talking about, I slap you in your motherfucking mouth. I go down south. I got family in the 7th Ward, Uzi Ward, St. Bernard, Louisiana, nigga. N.O. hard times in the motherfucking streets. These niggas don't know. They bound to get beat. They got beef? Shit, I think not. Red and blue around here, nigga. Holding Glocks, holding heat. Little niggas, know what I mean? Do it like this, nigga. I'm a straight G. Royalty, I'm loco. Represent the social. What you wanna do? I put a rapper in the chokehold. You studio rappers, studio actors, motherfucker, man, I'm tired of rapping. This is all freestyle. I talk like I rap. I talk like I walk. How you like that? Put you in my hand, shake 'em up like craps. Let 'em all loose. 100% proof. You bitch-ass motherfuckers. Put this shit on YouTube, nigga. Roll that up in your motherfucking joint and smoke it, nigga. West Coast on mine. Social Chaos Millionaire Mafia, nigga. Lou Conduct shit, nigga. Straight from the motherfucking Golden State to the Silver State Great. The real royalty. MySpace. Check me out. Google me, biatch. Say one, right?
It should be.